I'm Michael Hilkemeyer, and thank you so much for enrolling in my free online PD workshop, How to Successfully Integrate Technology in Preschool Activities Today. If you are really serious about technology integration in early learning environments and activities, then become a member of the ICT in Education Teacher Academy for just a few dollars a month more. Why become a member? Because as a member, you'll get instant access every month to over 80 plus resources, including online PD workshops with over 20 hours of PD to claim that all come with a certificate of completion. There are webinar replays with industry experts, technology integration lesson plans with early learning goals, and professional learning ebooks, and so much more for you to apply and to learn into your early learning environment today. So become a member of the Academy by clicking the button below and paying just a few dollars a month to gain access to all this valuable resources at your disposal. Or start the free PD now, and I hope to see you sometime in the future.